LA parents' tip uncovered massive college admissions scandal. A key tip that led to what authorities describe as fever came from a Los Angeles parent who was under investigation in an unrelated securities case, according to a law enforcement source. The source, who spoke on the condition of anonymity, could not identify the parent but said the subject provided vital information that launched the investigation. The sweeping scandal has led to criminal charges against including 2 Hollywood actresses, a famous fashion designer, a best-selling self-help author and the former CEO of a global investment firm. It's unclear whether the parent who aided authorities was listed in the criminal indictment filed Tuesday by federal prosecutors in Boston. Centered on a Newport Beach college placement firm run by Rick Singer. Wealthy parents, according to court papers, the scam unraveled last year when one of Singer's coaches decided to go off on his own and work directly with a parent. Rudy Meredith, Yale's girls soccer for more than 2 decades, had previously helped Singer fake the soccer credentials of a child of a Singer client. But in spring 20, what the coach did not know was that the parent took the proposal to federal prosecutors because the parent was already charged in a stock fraud and was looking to cut a deal, according to the court papers. The source could not confirm whether the father of Yale applicant 2 is the LA parent. Meredith met with the father in a Boston hotel room, which the FBI had wiretapped, according to court records. At this meeting, the father paid Meredith $2,000 and agreed to eventually spend $450,000 on the effort. Meredith began cooperating with the government's investigation with the hope of receiving leniency when he is sentenced, according to the government. He has agreed to plead guilty to wire fraud, honest services wire fraud and conspiracy. Information about the LA parent was first reported by the Wall Street Journal. Prosecutors allege that Singer instructed parents to donate funds to a fake charity he had established as part of the scheme. Most of the parents, the scheme itself was fairly simple. Prosecutors said Singer instructed parents to seek extended time for their children on ACT and SAT exams. In at least one instance, prosecutors alleged the parents' money was also used in some cases to bribe university athletic coaches and administrators to designate applicants as athletic recruits regardless of their athletic abilities and, in some cases, even though they didn't play the sport.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.